Okay, now the second part of the flange. So I'm going to start with the sketch on that side. I'll be doing both sides, but let's start with this side. So I'm going to do the first hole. From that one there is that 3.3 and the diameter is 65.88. And then I'm going to do an extrusion for that, which is negative 3.3. Okay. Oh, like that. So let's edit this. Yeah, type 300, 3.3. That takes us up to that hole there. Then I'm going to do now this third one, but I will take through, I have to add back something which I'm going to remove. So the third one will be sketch, and then I draw a circle of 57.5. And then I'm going to do an extrusion of these 2 and 2. So that one is going to be 4 mils minus 4 mils going inside. But now we have gone through a smaller radius there, which is 55. So we need to add that one back. So I'm going to do a sketch on this surface, and I will just draw a circle up to that point, and then another circle at the inner radius, which is 55. So if I do now an extrusion, all I need is that area there. I extrude it by -2. That will take us back inside and leave a gap in there. So from here then, we need to make another depth, which is, according to here, 26 minus 19, which is 7.2. So I'm going to draw another circle at the same diameter of 55. But this time I'll do an extrusion of 7.2, -7.2. And that one goes in. Okay. So that takes us up to that point there. Now we cannot do any more of that side, so we need to turn around. So I click here, sketch, and then I draw circle now of the missing dimension, which is 72, and that one goes in by 19, extrude, minus 19, and then I click here again. There's another circle of 52, and this one goes in by 7.2. There's a mistake in the previous one which I'm going to correct. So this is minus 7.2. We should be okay there. But the previous one, which I put 7.2, actually should have been 10. The last one, that one, is 10. Which should be that one. So we edit feature and put minus 10. And now it's gone through. All our features are there. So that should be all. It covers everything. Okay, and it covers all the steps that we require. Okay, see you in the next drawing.